Hey, how you doing? This is Leo. I'm just reaching out to Keller Roofing and Siding. I've actually spoke to someone at the office today, got the email about a custom website video I wanted to shoot for you all to show some things that you can do to help increase your online presence. It seems like there is a problem with your site, so that would be the first thing is there's actually something in here you can click if you're not aware of this. But you can click on here and it will show you exactly what you need to do. If you own this site, what you need to do to get it fixed. That would be where I would start, because without that site, Google's unable to crawl it. And without being able to crawl it, it's unable to rank any higher than where you're at. And you're actually doing pretty good. You're actually towards the top of the second page. 6, 7. Yeah, you're in the top half of the second page. So it'll be awesome to be able to get you to rank even higher. Why you're here is because of this GMB. Your Google reviews helps out a lot. So the 4.9 stellar rating. That's why you are where you are. So if you get a website going, you can really rock it. Now, this is what I was going to do is actually compare the number one competitor in your area against your website and just show you what they've got going on. On this first page here, you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. Content's just simply words. As you can see, they're coming up short on there. And you also want to have on these back pages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 different pages that they should have that has 500 to 750 words on them with keywords inside of them. And there's 0 words on the roof gallery. If they're going to have a page for it, there needs to be content on there with the pictures. Commercial roofing right here, as you see, more pictures. I want to show you something real quick. A lot of these times pictures, people just save the pictures as they get them, as you see right here. But what you really need to do is you need to save those as Louisville, Kentucky roofing, Louisville, Kentucky, things like that, because those are keywords. And those are buyer intent keywords, and that's something I'll go over with here in just a second. So they missed a lot of opportunities whenever they didn't save these pictures correctly. So if you're able to access your website and you've got photos on there, you need to change those to things that has higher buyer intent keywords. Holy Family Church, that is not a buyer intent keyword. That's just kind of explaining what the picture is. When Google crawls these sites, Google is a computer software, so it has no idea what these images look like. The only thing Google sees is what it is saved as. So this is flat 13, and it means nothing in Google's eyes. So the 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page, 500 to 700 words of content on the pages behind that. So that's all these pages, both of those, your windows, both of these. So whatever's on your pages on your website, they will all need to have 500 to 750 words, powerful, common words, and the homepage 1,500 to 2,000. Now, you might say, how come these people are ranking number 1 if they don't have the content? And content is king, but there's also other factors that play in it as well. And one of those things is backlinks. Backlinks is simply your website or someone else's website URL is put somewhere embedded in some content. It can be on a blog, it can be on a review, it can be on a guest post, somewhere where your website is out on the internet and it ranks back to your page. Another thing is citations. Citations is name, address, phone number. It's also known as NAP. So you can go in and you can put Keller Roofing and Siding as your business name. Then you do your business address and your business phone number. Name, address, phone number. That will be your NAP. And that will be a backlink as well, but it's also known as a citation. And a citation gives you power and trust to your site. This is the strength of your site or power, and this is the trust right here. These are out of 100. They're doing pretty good with the strength of their site. There's just not a lot of trust. And with no trust, tells me that a lot of these backlinks aren't very powerful. So yes, they've got 2,000, but they're not doing a lot for them. And what I do with this web crawler tool I have is called Ahrefs, and it actually breaks down every single thing on a website that Google needs to see, wants to see. And I come in here, find it, see what needs to be done to your website, and then apply those changes to it. Now, if this is your number one competitor, we can come here and see where they get their backlinks from. A lot of these, like I said earlier, are citations. They're the yellow pages, white pages, Yext, Yelp. All those places are, and more, you can Google free citations for your business. You can Google it, and it'll pop up a whole list. You need to sign into those, sign into Yelp, put your business name, address, phone number on there if you haven't already, and all the other businesses that they give you, because that's going to help your citations. Okay, so now I went over the content with you, the backlinks, the citations. Last thing I want to speak to you about is the organic keywords. And by that, I mean things that people search. If your toilet was broke, you would probably search plumber, Louisville, Kentucky, or Louisville, Kentucky plumber. That is buyer intent. That means that you are searching with intent to purchase a service. So they have 700 organic keywords strategically placed throughout their minimal content that they have on their page. And that's driving this many people to their site. Now, not all those convert, because you know how much a roofing job is. But out of this traffic that gets sent to their site, they're pulling this much extra every month. So, yes, a website definitely helps increase cash flow and traffic, jobs, more chances to get your name out there, to get more referrals, to get more links back to your name and your site. So just a little bit into this, I'll show you just a little bit into keywords, and I'll let you go here. Like I said earlier, Louisville roofing is a volume of 600 people is searching this exact phrase a month, but its keyword difficulty is 31. That's pretty high. What I do is try to find lower keyword difficulties and with phrases. So this is roofing contractors in Louisville, Kentucky. That could be on your site. These are some of the best roofing contractors in Louisville, Kentucky. Can be on your content. 200 people see that a month, and the keyword difficulty is 8. So that might take maybe a month, a little bit over a month, and you'll start ranking for that keyword. They're in first for a lot of these. And once we get these on your site, we can take that position from them. Again, I know people don't know who experts in these fields are, so that's why I like to show my work before I even do any kind of negotiating, any talking about anything. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope that you find the information that I gave you to be very helpful and very useful. Get that website going, get it up and running, and apply these changes to it, and I promise you, you will see results. Again, my name is Leo Arona. I hope you enjoyed this video. My email, you can hit me back on my email. That's where I'm going to be sending this from, or you can give me a call at 270-841-3600. I hope you all over at Keller Roofing and Siding enjoy the video that I send and you get great value out of it. I hope to hear from you soon. Have a good day.